traders. Okay, I'm going to place order to buy. Just a second, I missed, I think. I want to buy British pound. Let's see how I'll be able to buy. It's moving rapidly down, and let's see, let's wait. What's going to happen? I'm looking to buy at 137.52.3. Order placed at 137.52.3. Just right here. So if you have, if you want to copy this trade, if you want to follow my trade, stay with me. Copy this trade, place an order, and we will go through this trade until the end of, until we'll make a profit, basically. So if you want to find out how we trade, you need to get a strategy. For other day traders who are already using our strategy, please copy this trade and practice, or if you use real money like we do, enter this position. Okay, stay safe. Position open, guys. Position open at 137.52.3. Let me show where. Well done, guys. If you decided to trade British pound, you're in. It all depends how much you decided to invest. So this is how much you will get profit, basically. So you need it to do your money management. You calculate how much you want to make profit by trading British pound. Okay? Stay safe. Okay, let's place stop on profit for British pound, right? And I'm going to place stop on profit at 137.54.3. Okay, just right here. Whatever happened, you will not lose any money on this trade. Okay, stay safe.
This is Hatsune Miku, Japan's sensational virtual pop star. She's released over 100,000 songs in multiple languages and performed sold-out concerts around the world. Her image has appeared in games, on TV, in car races, and is even etched.
Okay, traders, as you can see, position closed on British pound. We earned 200 pounds, 2 pips. For all of you guys who follow our trades, who copied this trade, you made a profit again. Well done. Let's move on. Let's look for another trading chance and opportunity to make.
没有任何让我们感到不开心的一些新闻。
She's everything to everybody. That's probably why she's so popular.
Miku's creator Hiroyuki Ito and his Sapporo-based company have been developing the virtual diva